Creo Parametric 3.0, and this solid model that I'm going to create will be bushing and self-locking nut. Okay, I'm going to create two solid models in this video. All right, let's get it started. I'm going to type bushing. Okay, bushing. Okay, that's the file name. We're going to turn the plane on, and this time I'm going to use Revolve. Okay, just it's so quick, you know, it's quicker to use Revolve feature instead of Extrude on this solid model that I'm going to create called bushing. Revolve, placement, define. We're going to place it on the front of view, or let me just turn the tag on so you know that that's a front view. A sketch view. Okay, all right, so let's temporarily get rid of all this filter, and we're gonna put, just for Revolve, do not forget to use this center line here, not this center line. That's a construction center line. This is a geometric center line. This, we call it axis of revolution. So you're gonna revolve the feature with respect to this axis. Okay, so we're gonna use that on a y-axis. That's it, nothing else. Then we're going to start from somewhere here, an arbitrary distance, and we're going to give a total to see that as soon as you see that you have placed the axis of revolution, it gives you the software is so smart. It's going to the software knows that you're trying to create a diameter, a circular shape. So it's giving you the total dimension or diameter of this bushing, the top bushing. It has a diameter of 200 millimeters. Okay, great. And then the height is going to be 125. So let's just focus and continue with this here. And then we have this piece that is 25 millimeters. And then we go to the left, and that measurement total is 150 millimeters. And the rest is easy. So you bring all the way down to this x-axis, and then you go back to origin, and you go all the way back to the starting point. So this is, when you see this shade, that means your sketch is fully defined, is complete, and you are ready to you know, finish this. Okay, say check, and now we got let me go back to shading. See that here, so you can see that we have created the bushing, and that's what we are looking for. Okay, and then we say let's look at the revolve, and we're gonna go to, with respect to midpoint. Okay, always midpoint, and then check. So there we go. All right, we have that. Now the next is to go back to model. This time we're going to extrude, or I can use the instead of extrude, I'm going to use the hole tools. Okay, I'm going to drop a hole in that, because it's a cylindrical shape, or it has an axis. Don't forget to turn this axis on. That's the axis for the cylinder. Okay, so all you have to do is give diameter for this hole, and that diameter is 50 millimeters. Okay, you don't need to worry about anything else. Hold the control button down on the keyboard, and move your mouse. Okay, move your mouse around here. You see that it's going to highlight the axis for the cylinder, and now it's going to poke a hole at the dead center of this surface, the top surface. But this is not all the way through. See that? It's not all the way through. So you need to go here and say through hole, so the hole is all the way through. See that? You can see it. All right, I'm done with this one, and I'm going to save it. Okay, check. I'm going to save that on a project. I create a folder called project, and all I have to do is say okay. All right, now I'm gonna